Hi guys, it's getting chillier and chillier over here, and that means I am making a soup every week for us to keep ourselves warm because I love eating soups and I think they're perfect for this time of the year. In the summer I don't really feel like making soups or eating soups because it's warm enough without the soups. But during this period, so when it's getting colder, the autumn is coming in and the winter, I really enjoy eating soups. So you will be seeing more soups over here for the next couple of months because I love eating soups and I would like to share the recipes with you. Today I'm making a creamy potato soup the way it's made here in Germany, and I hope you will like it as well. Take a medium pot and place it over medium heat. Once it's warm, drizzle over some olive oil and then you can add the finely chopped garlic and onion. You don't want to cook the onions shortly, just so that they start to soften and become translucent. Then you can add in the cubed potatoes and continue cooking them the same way for about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, you want to prepare the vegetable broth. After the 3 minutes, you can add in the vegetable broth, mix it in well and cover the potatoes with a lid. You want to cook them for 10 to 15 minutes or until they start to soften. So it's been about 10 minutes now and I'm gonna test whether the potatoes have cooked. And you can see here when I press with the spoon against the side of the pot, the potatoes get smashed. So they're cooked through and I want to mash them a little bit more. This will be easier with a potato masher. So you don't want to make a mashed potato, you just want to smash some of the potatoes a little bit. Like you can see here, I still have big pieces, but some of the potatoes have been smashed. Now I'm gonna add in the finely sliced carrots and also spring onion, but you could also use leek if you prefer using leek. Then you want to cover again and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you want to season well with pepper, and I'm also adding in some dried thyme. Note that I'm not adding any salt because I'm also gonna add in the sausage, which is very salty, and the broth was very salty. So I'm gonna test at the very end if the soup needs any salt and only season it then if it needs some more salt. Once you've added the sausage, you want to cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Now you can see the soup is really creamy and really thick. You could leave it like this or you could add in some cream or like I'm doing, and add some cream cheese. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat and just allow that cream cheese to melt in. Now that I have all the ingredients in the soup, I'm gonna just do a quick taste test, and I must say it is salty enough for me. So the broth and the sausage have added enough salt to the soup and it doesn't need any more. So as you could see, this is a pretty simple recipe. It's all made in one pot and it's pretty fast to put together. I made it in the morning. It took me, I think, about half an hour to make it from the start to the end, so it shouldn't take you too long to put it all together, and you will have a delicious soup to keep you warm. So you can make the soup like I did with some sausage of your choice. You can choose any sausage actually that you like, any really flavorful one, I would say, because it adds the flavor to the soup then as well. But if you don't like to add any sausage, so if you want to keep it vegetarian, that's something you can also do. So you can leave out the sausage and just make it with the vegetables. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget that thumbs up for support and subscribe so you don't miss the new soup recipes that will be coming in the next couple of months. Also, if you have requests for a specific soup that you would like to see here, that you would like me to make a recipe for, let me know in the comments below and I will take your suggestions into consideration. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.